Here's how to start a project from a template here on Figma. So once you've logged in, you'd be redirected to the dashboard already. So as you can see here onto the left side, you have here the different options such as the recent, your team, the drafts, your favorite files, and your teams in here. So for you to be able to get started onto the templates, you'll see a button in here or explore community. So simply just click onto that, and right after, you'd be redirected onto another page wherein it welcome you to Figma community, wherein you can explore thousands of free and paid templates, plugins, and UI kits to kickstart your next big idea. So if you scroll down here onto a little bit, you could discover what's new and fun in your creativity, and here are the different templates that it offers. These templates and designs are really crucial as they provide a foundation for your projects, saving time and ensuring consistency. Whether you're designing a website, mobile app, or presentation, these templates offer predefined layouts, style, and elements that aligns with the best practices, making your work more efficient and professional. So they are particularly helpful for beginners and busy professionals who wants to kickstart their projects with a well-designed starting point. So actually here onto the upper part, as you've noticed, we have here some all products, all resources, paid plus free, all creators. So these are actually filters. So you could click onto this drop down so that you'd be able to see the different option. So you could just choose Figma over here. And here onto the all resources, you could just choose in files, plugins, or just widgets. And here, so there are two types of templates that we have in here. We have the paid one and the free one. We could just simply click onto the free one so that we don't have to pay. And here is the all creators. Here is the different templates that was generated through those filters that we have in here. And if you've seen something that you like, just simply click onto it. And then right after, you'll see its title, its creator, the ratings, how many people have used it, and you have an option also to save this one. And you could see a quick preview onto what the template look like. And you could just simply click onto open in Figma.